Hello and welcome to Sierra Make. Today we are going to be making a Blackbird mask. This is for a Thunderbird costume that I'll be wearing later on. Here are some reference photos I pulled from the internet for the costume and some masks that I tried to model mine after. So first I made a rough sketch of what I wanted, and then I made this paper pattern, which I will try and include in the description down below. Please leave a comment if the link doesn't work. Anyways, I took this paper pattern, cut it out, and now I'm putting it on craft foam, and I'm going to cut it out of the craft foam. Oh, I actually ended up just drawing it onto the craft foam because it was harder to cut the pattern straight like that. Anyways, now with the pattern cut out of the foam, I just glued it together, the layers together with some tacky glue, and then for the beak, since it's going to be curved, I'm going to be using some cement glue. This contact cement glue is a little bit sturdier than the tacky glue, and it will dry a little bit faster. So I'm just going to put it right along that inner beak curve so that we attach it just like that. Now, unfortunately, I was rushing to finish this costume that I forgot to film the rest of it, so I'm just going to tell you what I did. I glued the beak straight to the mask using the contact cement glue because it's sturdy and it's going to be on a curve, and then I just took some plain black spray paint, went outside, put some cardboard under it, and sprayed the whole mask. Lastly, I just taped some ribbon on either side to get it to tie around my head, and this is the final look. These are the costume photos. I will do another video because I handmade that corset, which you can see is untied. Please ignore that. And yeah, there's our super simple bird mask for our Thunderbird costume. Thanks for watching.